Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to restore purchase in Splice. Splice is a video editor and maker is a powerful mobile editing app that allows users to create professional quality video directly from their iPhone. It offers premium features such as advanced transition, extended quality videos directly from your iPhone, music libraries, watermarks removal, and the high resolution exports through a paid subscription. And if you have previously purchased a subscription and reinstalled the app or switched to a new iPhone, you do not need to pay again. You can simply restore your purchase. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide. So first, what you can do is you need to open to your Splice app. Over here, once you reach into this interface of your Splice, on the top right corner we can find this Pro icon. Tap over there, and once you get into this interface of the Pro, in the top we can find this already purchased. You need to tap on the purchased if you have purchased to the feature of the Splice before, and if your subscription is still active, premium features will unlock automatically. You should see the confirmation that your subscription has been restored. And that is it. Restoring your purchase is quick and usually takes less than a minute. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to restore the purchase in Splice. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.